Good morning, everyone. Good morning, everyone. I like to say hello, hello. I like to say hello, hello. I like to say hello, hello to you all. Welcome, children. So, kids, as you know, we are talking about air. We are talking about air. So children, air we can't see, okay? But we can feel. We can feel. So children, Monday and the other day, we already learned many things about air. So today we will be learning about uses of air. So as I told you, air is very important for us, for everyone, children, for everyone, each and everyone. So kids, kites, balloons, so many things we can see fly in the air. So children, air is very important. So as you know, we keep our body cool by air. क्योंकि बेटा जब हमें हवा गर्मी लगती है तो हम फैन चलाते हैं तो वो मूव करती है. ओके, एंड our clothes, wet clothes, dry by the air. So children, air also used in these things, okay, like balloon. And do you know, children, we fill air in the ball also, in the tires also, vehicles tires. And children, to blow the balloon, we need air, okay. And for hot balloon, we need air. Pinwheel. So lovely kids, we can see so many uses of the air. I already told you, okay. So air is very important for us. We can't alive without air. First of all, this is very important. Okay children, so we will learn more about it later on. So we will revise our rhyme. So I enjoying this rhyme, children. I hope you also enjoying. So drop your things, children. Okay. Take breath. Very good. Are you ready? Say, ma'am. Oh, yes. Very good. Children, we have some work to do. So let's see. So kids, we can do many things with the help of the air. So air is very useful for us. So children, after that, what we have to do? We have to take a color sheet, okay, and we need one stick like this. I have taken, or I got this stick from my broom. And children, we need a glue and a pair of scissors. So what we have to do, children, we are going to make a pinwheel. Okay, so are you ready? Okay, so lovely kids, first of all we have to cut this sheet in square shape. So we will fold it like this and we will cut in this way. Okay kids, this is your square shape. You have to fold in this way, and also you can fold it like this. After that, children, what you have to do, you have to cut these corners from here to here. We have to cut till here. Okay, same here also, children. This much only. Can you see how ma'am is doing? Yes, we have to cut in this way. Right. Okay, after that, children, so you can see cutting of this paper. Okay, after that you have to take this corner here. You have to fold in this way and put some glue in the middle. Okay, you have to paste this corner, this point here in the middle. Again you have to, you don't take this one, okay, leave it like that. Okay children, you have to paste this point here, leave this corner like this. Okay, and here four corners are there, and this is the last. Put some more glue and paste it here. So children, let it dry. Okay, after that what you have to do, you have to take this stick, right, and you need a nail, children. Okay, ये कील है. I'm not having thumb pin. Thumb pin is good for you for this activity, but I don't have thumb pin. If you have thumb pin, you have to use that one, and be careful with it. Okay, because point is there. So आपको इसके बीच में डालना है. Then make a hole here and fix it like this. In this way you have to fix it. Okay. Oh wow, can you see? Yes. After that, children, what you have to do, you have to cut a circle and paste it over here. Kids, if you are using this nail, thumb pin or this nail, whatever, but you have to very careful with it. Okay children, if you want to play with it, you go and play. आप इसके साथ फिरकी के साथ खेलते हैं ना, दिस इज pinwheel. If you will go out or you will play with it in the air, air will help to spin it. अगर आप बाहर जाएंगे और एयर के साथ में खेलेंगे, दौड़ेंगे, इसको लेके थोड़ा सा खेलेंगे, तो ये अपने आप मूव करेगी. ओके, वेरी गुड. So I hope children you like this activity. But children, again and again I'm telling you, please beware of this nail. Okay children, so you have to make it, okay, and send me the picture. If you have any other idea to make it, you can use it also. So bye children, enjoy.